Hi, my name is Josh. I'll be doing a review on my Viking saddlebags with the shock cutout and side pocket. I was looking around for saddlebags and I found these, and I really like that they're structured and nice rigid, and the locking mechanism to keep all of your valuables safe when you walk away. Also has the side pocket here that just quick velcro and zipper in order to throw little papers, things of that nature. I also really like the velcro here. You can see it's nice and tight, weatherproofing. Makes it a little nicer to keep rain and things out. And there's plenty of space in here. The side pocket, which is really nice. It also came with everything to attach it to the bike, which works out really well. I did, however, get the quick detach system, which I really like. It lets you lock it on here and unlock it in order to quickly remove the saddlebags for when you wash the bike or whatever. Don't want to have saddlebags on it, but these work out really well for me. I like them. Keep my rain gear in that one and keep just change of clothes and things for camping on the weekend in here. It helps keep things off back easier on riding, and they look really nice.